friends, do you know what I am doing? I am watering the plants. You know, water is very important for the plants. It helps in germination of the seeds. It helps in photosynthesis, because of which plant make their food. It helps in transfer of nutrients and minerals from the soil to the plant. And we all know plants are so important for us. They absorb carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, which is very essential for we humans and animals. So do water the plants. And bye. Thank you.
Nature, nature, look beauty around. And spend some time to take care of your plants. One more time. Nature, nature, look beauty around and spend some time to take care of your plants.
Hello students! So today I'm gonna show you how you can take care of the animals around us. Here I have kept a bowl of water and some food for birds, because sometimes it is difficult for them to find their food, and by making this small effort you can save the lives of many animals. Also, it is a great way to bring different kind of animals in your garden and terrace. Bye!
Good morning, children. Today we will learn about 4R principle: reuse, reduce, recycle and recover. These 4R principles are very essential to save environment. Start with reuse. We can use plastic bottles after having the cold drink to fill water in that for refrigerator. Here I have reused a box also that I have purchased while purchasing a tie, and I am using it to keep my belongings. Second R stands for reduce. We should reduce the use of plastic and we should use bags made up of cloth. We can use paper bags also. Third R stands for recycle, means we can purchase those products which are made up of recycled plastic. The fourth R is recover. Let's talk about it in detail. Children, in this principle of recover, we have to find the ways to manage waste and to take out maximum energy from it using waste management plant. So today we have learned about 4R principle to save our environment. Thank you, children. Have a great day.
Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, do you know which topic I'm going to tell you? So today I will tell you about what is biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Okay, so shall we start? All the waste we generate from our households, factories and firms can be categorized as either biodegradable or non-biodegradable waste. Let's first learn what is biodegradable waste. The waste materials that can be broken down in weeks or months by natural agents like water, oxygen, UV rays of the sun, acid rain, bacteria and other micro and macroorganisms into very simple compounds. That is, they dissolve and automatically becomes a part of the soil are known as biodegradable waste. For example, if you throw some food waste in the soil and let it stay there for a few days or weeks, then you will not find it any more. It ultimately gets dissolved and becomes a part of the soil, that is break down into simpler substances. These simple compounds are actually nutrients that adds to the soil and make the soil fertile. All types of waste that break down in weeks or months and become a part of the soil is known as biodegradable waste, and such waste are not threatened to the environment. Now we will learn about non-biodegradable waste. The waste that cannot break down even in 100 of years are called as non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste do not react or dissolve with anything. So for this, we should try to reuse them as much as possible for recycling. Like plastic waste can be sent to the plastic recycling center where it is molded again to make new object. Non-biodegradable objects are include aluminum can, glasses, plastic bottles, metal scrap, and plastic objects. So, kids, we should always be knowing which kind of material are biodegradable and what kind of waste are non-biodegradable. So, we should always prefer to use biodegradable materials and save our earth from pollution. Thank you, children.
On this Environment Day, I'm going to tell you a poem. Environment Day is a special day bringing great awareness. Learn what you can do to help. Show that you are not careless. Recycling is an easy thing. Placing items in a special bin. Some things you don't throw away. Paper, glass and tin. Conserve resources and find new way to get where you are going. Take a walk and ride your bike. Stop air pollution from growing. Thank you and have a great day.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace someday. We shall live in peace someday. We shall live in peace.